So we're gonna start with 3/4 cups of sugar. Pour that into a large mixing bowl. And then we need 2 cups of whole milk. Pour that on top. Next thing is 4 large eggs. So just crack those in. 1, 2, 3. All right, we got half a tablespoon of ground cinnamon in, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's go in as well. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna give that a really good whisk. Bust out this bread. So let's talk bread. This bad boy right here, French baguette. So we got a 24-inch French bread baguette, and we're gonna use 12 inches of it, so we're gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna cut it at an angle, and the reason for that is just because you want longer slices as opposed to short little slices, so cut it at this angle. We'll take bread and lay them out into the pan. We're gonna take our custard mixture and pour that over the top. And then try to get them pretty much as flat as possible. You're gonna kind of have to get your hands dirty. You just wanna make sure that everything gets completely submerged in your base. Get out the shells if you have any. Flip, 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 sloppy flip. Gonna let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes, not that long. We're gonna start with about 1 tablespoon of 1 tablespoon of a high quality butter over medium heat. Take this bread that we've been soaking here. We're gonna do 3 pieces at a time. We're gonna drop 1 in. Boom. This one looks ready to go. Woo. Okay, I can smell the eggs already starting to go. Flip. Okay, that's good to go. All right, so French toast, or pain perdu if you want to call it by its original name. Pain perdu is, the meaning behind it is forgotten bread. And so what they used to do in France was when the bread went stale, to repurpose it, what they would do is saturate it in some type of a egg and milk mixture, some type of a custard, and then pan fry it and serve it for breakfast usually, because it's usually pretty sweet. Depending on if you put honey or sugar, you can dress it with syrup and fruit and whatever you want to do, and it comes out really good. It's really great for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and especially brunch. Like if you're gonna be entertaining some friends and family over for brunch, this is a perfect thing to make. Everybody's gonna love it. It's gonna go well with obviously some mid-afternoon cocktails on that Sunday afternoon. So I definitely encourage you guys to try this, and let me know if you like it in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel, and we've got a lot more videos coming soon. So thank you so much for watching.